Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get Runaway Aurora filter on Snapchat. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And without any further ado, let's get on with it. So this Runaway Aurora filter is on quite trend right now. This filter is based on the Runaway song which was made by Aurora, as it also tells in its name, Runaway Aurora filter. So let me tell you guys how you guys can get it. Open your Snapchat, go on your camera icon on your Snapchat. After you're on your camera icon on Snapchat, you want to click on this smiley icon over here, this little smiley icon. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you to your filter gallery on Snapchat. So once you're on your filter gallery of Snapchat, you want to click on where it says explore, because we need to search for the filter. Alright, so you want to click on explore. Once you click on explore, you want to go on at the top where it says search. You want to click on search. Now on search, you want to search for this Runaway Aurora, and after you search for it, you want to click on the first one where it says Runaway Aurora, and it is made by Vivek. Alright, so you want to click on it. After you click on it, wait for some time until the filter loads on your phone. And after the filter loads on your phone, basically, I don't think I need to teach you guys how you guys have to, use this filter. You can just hold on this camera icon over here and shoot yourself a video. So right now, I can't shoot a video because I'm recording a screen. If I was not, then I could have. But if I record a video right now, my screen recorder will be stopped. So yeah, I hope you guys can record a video for yourself. But that's basically how you guys can get a Runaway Aurora filter. If you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel One to Step. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.